The Workflow Store is a library of ready-made image processing presets, created and tested by other makers for specific materials and lasers. Pick one, upload your image, and you're done. In the main menu, navigate to Workflows and click on Workflow Store. Here you get an overview of all the materials that have workflows available. For this video, I'm going with cork. Once you've selected your material, you'll see all the available workflows for it. Click on one to open its detail page. Here you can see a before and after preview. Hover over the result to bring up the magnifier and check the fine details, or read a full description of what the workflow actually does. You'll also find information about which laser it was created with, the settings used, the resolution, and the lens. But the most important thing on this page is the Run Workflow button. That's what lets you apply everything with basically zero effort. Just upload the photo you want to engrave. Under Resize Output, you can adjust the size and resolution to match your specific laser setup. There's also a checkbox to disable dithering if you'd prefer a grayscale result instead. Hit Process Image and let it do its thing. For this example, we're keeping dithering on, and here's our finished result. Processed and ready to engrave. Download the image and import it into your laser software. For my 80-watt CO2 laser, I'm running 120 millimeters per second, 1% minimum power, and 7% maximum power. Make sure pass-through is enabled. That prevents LightBurn from processing the image a second time, since it's already been taken care of. And we're ready to go. With cork, low power is key. That's what gives you those beautiful warm brown tones instead of just burning through the surface. Once the engrave is done, I use a soft brush to remove any residue left over from the process. And there it is, a perfect portrait, engraved on cork. Every detail intact, those gorgeous tones exactly where they should be. Process your image with one of our community workflows, completely free, at imag-r.com.